Hey guys, this is J-Hack here, and today I just want to demonstrate to you how to use your M2427. Okay, so here I have a PRXL. It's all ready to go. Most of it's already installed. This here is what you would use if you were starting only, this bulky 24 pin wiring. Instead of using that, we'll be using this thing, the M2427. First, we're going to install the CPU power connector. This is also where you would install your GPU power connector, but this one does not have it, so we're going to skip that. Next, you install your plug-in unit. Then you install your power supply unit. Oh, that's backwards. You plug in your motherboard connector, just like so. Doesn't really easy. Right? And then your CPU power connector. And then, really nifty, is your SATA power connector. And that's it. That's power on. Everything turns on as if it's just a regular 24 pin.